This isn't a special effect. This is the future of your room, and it's going to make everything you know about painting completely obsolete. For centuries, if you wanted to change the color of a room, you had one option: painting. It's messy, it's time consuming, and let's be honest, once it's done, you're stuck with that color for years because the thought of doing it all over again is just exhausting. But what if the real job isn't about applying paint? What if it's about controlling the mood and feel of your space instantly? I've spent the last month digging through new material technologies, talking to smart home experts, and applying a powerful innovation framework to deconstruct this problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you the technologies that exist today and are on the horizon that will completely change how you design your home. Let's break it down using a concept called jobs to be done. You don't want to paint. You want to create a vibe. You hire a solution to get that job done. Paint is just the clumsy, old school solution we've been stuck with. The actual process is a nightmare. You spend 80% of your time on preparation and cleanup, and only 20% on the part that actually creates value. The current solution fails at almost every step of the job. So, what's the first step into the future? It's already here, and you've probably seen it. Smart lighting. I'm talking about systems like Philips Hue, Govee, and Nanoleaf. They let you change your room's color with an app. There's no mess, no fuss, and you can change it 100 times a day if you want. It gets a big part of the job done. But it's not the full solution, is it? It's an overlay. When the sun is out, your walls are still just beige. It's an incremental improvement, not a revolution. To get there, we have to change the wall itself. But what if the wall itself was the light source? Or even better, what if it could change color without light? This is where it gets really exciting. Two key technologies are making this possible: OLED and e-ink. OLED is what you find in high-end TVs. Each pixel makes its own light, so you get perfect blacks and vibrant colors. People are already making huge wall-sized OLED screens. It's amazing, but it's expensive and uses a lot of power. But this is the real game changer: e-ink. It works by reflecting ambient light, just like paper or traditional paint. It uses a tiny bit of power to change the image, and then zero power to hold it. Now, imagine an advanced full-color version of this, manufactured in flexible sheets. This isn't wallpaper, it's a dynamic surface. This gets the entire job done better, cheaper in the long run, and with almost zero effort. So the next time you think about the hassle of painting, remember the real job you're trying to do. The future isn't about better paint, it's about smarter surfaces. We're moving from the limitations of static decoration to the freedom of dynamic design. This is just one of the examples of how rethinking the job can lead to incredible innovation. I break down these concepts in a lot more detail in my Substack newsletter, which you can find linked in the description below or in the first comment. Now, I want to hear from you. What other household chore do you think is totally broken and ready for a complete revolution? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe, because these videos and articles are going to just keep coming. My goal is to eventually touch on a subject or industry that matters to you, so you can see how to think about it in a completely new way. You don't want to miss any of them. The theme is always the same. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.